Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a very quick guide on how you can generate videos using Google AI Studio. This is helpful for creating AI generated clips using Google's latest video models. So the first thing that you will have to do is you will go to the official aistudio.google.com, and once you're here, what you will have to do is click Playground. And now that you're here, what you will do is you will select the video model. So go ahead and click video. So here you should have a list of uh, video models if they are available for you. So what you will have to do is choose VO2 or the latest video generation model shown in 2025. So now that you're here, what you will do is, of course, you will write your video prompt, which is right here. But then again, you do have to make sure to enable your Google Drive access to use VO first so that you will be able to actually generate your video. So again, if you've already enabled it, you will just have to describe your video here on the um, prompt editor. So you can describe your video clearly, the setting, the camera movement, the subject action, the style, whether you want it cinematic or realistic or animation like this. So yeah, you just have to be super specific with what you wanna see on your video so that you will be able to actually generate it. And yeah, on your right panel you can set your duration to it's typically 4 to 10 seconds, but yeah, it really depends on you. And for the aspect ratio, if it really depends on you whether you want it as 16:9 or 9:16. So yeah, it really depends on what kind of ratio you want for your video, whether you want it as landscape or portrait. And for the rate, it really depends on you as well. And if your resolution, if it's available for you, you can set it as 1080 if you would want a high quality video, but 720 is fine as well. And yeah, that's basically just it. And once you're done with your prompt, you will just have to click this button right here which says run. And once the video renders, you can just click the download button or save the project if they are available for you. So yeah, that's how you can generate videos inside the Google AI Studio using Google's new video models. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope to see you in the next one. Thank you and have an awesome day.